Right, hello there. This is one coil. I got 7 more to make. As you can see, my little flashlight here. I did the best I could on making it, and this is 15 gauge wire. It's my first one I've ever made. So, I checked it, and it fits in the hole of the coil disc. And I also checked it per the instructions, the directions of Creative Science. And the thing does function. It does work. So, the size is pretty good. The coil making machine, you know, that one thing that turns the bobbin, it does work. Now, I like to say that using a 12-volt battery and that motor, it took me about 2.5 to 3 hours to make this one. All right. So but I don't really want the motor to be faster, because it's not very easy keeping track of when I'm trying to make this, where am I supposed to put the new, see, I'm winding this, I'm winding, like, I stick my finger here, I'm kind of like winding the copper, okay, the wire, and I have to wind it a certain way. If I wind it too fast, you know, it's hard enough trying to wind it with when it's running slow. 10 revolutions of the output shaft of the motor per minute. The speed of that motor is 10 revolutions per minute of the output shaft. So, and I used adhesive. The brand is 3M. It's super strong. I got that at Home Depot, and anyway, I'm not sure what else I can tell you, but I got one done, so I'm looking forward to having the other 7 done. So it's 15 gauge wire, and I had to take a piece of sandpaper and scrape off the coating that is on this wire, so that I could test the wire. I could test the coil, I mean, to make sure it works. I had to scrape off this because I was going to connect it to a battery. these leads here, these end pieces, so that I could test the coil by connecting it to a battery and doing some other stuff. Anyway, here it is. Got one done. Okay.